So I got a question from a viewer slash listener. Do I make people throw away everything or do I force them to throw away everything? The answer is no, absolutely not. Decluttering can be an emotional process, and I will talk about that. I'll do another little video on that sometime. But the short answer is no, absolutely not. Because what's purpose would that serve? My goal is to have someone have their inner wisdom come out, dig a little deeper. Why perhaps are we holding on to this? Why has it been a struggle to let it go? And there's no right or wrong here. And I'll never forget, I worked with one woman in particular who really stands out to me. And she was so devastated after working with a professional organizer because she felt so judged that she just kind of went back into her shell. And it was years before she ended up calling me to work together. So I don't judge. And if someone's judging you, it's time to say, no, thank you. But it wouldn't do any good to force anyone to do anything, right? It doesn't matter whether it's decluttering or doing something else. If we're forced to, we're really not going to embrace it. And so my view is to plant a seed. Maybe someone is like, you know what, Julie, I can't let go of anything. We just need to organize it. Okay, it is what it is. But that seed's been planted. So maybe this year they can't let go of anything, but a year from now, they're able to let go of something. And what I've learned is you really build upon that. If you start to declutter, if you might be pulling teeth in the beginning, but once you get going, like, wow, and you feel the freedom and you feel how good it is and you feel the energy open up in your space and you're ready to roll. And I'd encourage you, even if you're not working with a pro, if you're having a friend help or you're helping a friend, don't force anyone to throw out anything that they're not ready for, because for some people it can be really devastating, especially if that happened to them as a kid and they just had stuff thrown out without their permission. That can be really devastating, and that can be a reason that people hold on to things. So let me know, have you ever been forced to throw out anything? How'd that make you feel? When you clear your clutter, you can create the life and space you choose, deserve, and desire.